Welcome to Academic Gain Tutorials. In this video, we will discuss about Dividend Income Projection Formula for building emergency cash flow. To begin, emergency cash flow means creating a reliable income stream that can help cover essential expenses during unexpected situations. Instead of depending only on a savings account, some investors aim to build dividend income that can support their monthly needs over time. In this example, the idea is to estimate your essential monthly expenses first and then use that number as your emergency cash flow goal. For example, if your essential monthly expenses are $3,000, then your emergency cash flow target is also $3,000 per month. After that, you convert the monthly goal into an annual cash flow goal. Since there are 12 months in a year, $3,000 multiplied by 12 gives an annual cash flow goal of $36,000. Next, we use the Dividend Income Projection Formula. The required investment is equal to the annual cash flow goal divided by the dividend yield in decimal form. In simple words, this formula tells you how much money you may need to invest so your dividends can cover your target emergency cash flow. Then, using the example from the infographic, the annual goal is $36,000 and the dividend yield assumption is 4%, or 0.04. So, 36,000 divided by 0.04 gives a required investment of $900,000. That means, at a 4% dividend yield, you would need approximately $900,000 invested to generate $3,000 per month in dividend income. However, the amount required changes depending on the yield. If the dividend yield is only 3%, the required investment increases to $1,200,000. On the other hand, if the yield is 5%, the required investment drops to $720,000. Therefore, a higher yield can reduce the amount you need to invest, but at the same time, it is important to focus on sustainable and quality dividends rather than chasing yield alone. Moreover, the infographic also shows how emergency cash flow can grow over time. Assuming a 4% dividend yield, dividends are reinvested, and the portfolio grows at around 6% per year, the results become more powerful in the long run. At the starting point, a $900,000 portfolio produces about $36,000 per year, or $3,000 per month. After 5 years, the estimated portfolio value may grow to about $1,206,419, producing around $48,257 annually, or about $4,021 per month. Similarly, after 10 years, the estimated portfolio value could grow to around $1,617,345, generating about $64,694 per year, or $5,391 per month. After 15 years, it may reach about $2,168,527, producing around $86,741 annually, or $7,228 per month. Then, after 20 years, the portfolio may grow to about $2,908,070, generating around $116,323 per year, or roughly $9,694 per month. As a result, this example shows the power of reinvesting dividends and allowing the portfolio to compound over time. Even if the initial goal is to cover essential emergency expenses, reinvestment and growth can create a stronger financial cushion in the future. In addition, there are several smart strategies to help build emergency cash flow more effectively. First, invest in quality dividend-paying stocks or ETFs. Next, reinvest dividends to accelerate growth. Then, add regular contributions whenever possible to reach the goal faster. Also, diversify the portfolio to reduce risk and improve stability. Finally, review and rebalance the portfolio regularly so it stays aligned with your needs. Furthermore, dividend income can be useful for an emergency fund because it may provide reliable income, passive cash flow, financial security, and some protection against inflation. In other words, it can help cover unexpected expenses, reduce financial stress, and make your emergency planning stronger over time. At the same time, it is important to remember that market conditions can change and dividends are not guaranteed. So, this type of strategy should be approached carefully, with proper research, realistic expectations, and long-term thinking. To sum up, the process is simple. First, estimate your monthly emergency expenses. Second, multiply that number by 12 to find your annual cash flow goal. Third, divide that annual goal by your expected dividend yield. In this example, a $3,000 monthly goal becomes $36,000 per year, and at a 4% yield, that requires an investment of about $900,000. Ultimately, building emergency cash flow with dividend income can be a long-term strategy for financial preparedness. With discipline, quality investments, reinvestment, and patience, you can work toward building a more secure financial future. If this short video was helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.